this video playlist is meant to be like is that even necessary? Okay, let me just say it's meant to be like roadmap for students who are aspiring to become AFIT students someday. So I'm not a fan of unnecessary introduction. I'll just jump right into the main reason why I am making this video. And the main reason is to share a question I saw in my post-UTME exam. A question I could remember very well I saw in my post-UTME exam when I went there for my post-UTME, okay? And the question requires the knowledge of equations of motion to be able to solve, specifically the equation 2, that is the second equation, which has to do with distance. S equals ut plus half at squared. That's formula, yeah. And I will try to look for my past question. After, like now, I will go and look for it and go through the question together. I hope I find that JAMB past question today. It's been long that I left this I'll call this my little library actually. So this was where I usually keep my book and my study materials. I think here is the past Q&A for physics, which has that question I saw in my post-UTME. So this is the legendary physics past Q&A, in which I saw the question that I've practiced a lot and it came out in my post-UTME. Yeah, so now let's check. It's in the first year of JAMB, that is, I think 1978, right? 1978, yeah. Page 4, right? Or page 1, I don't know. So the question is around here. Here is the question. Question 4. Look at question 4. Okay. Okay, this 1978 JAMB Physics. So question 4. Here is the question. You could read it and understand it and watch how I solved it, because I'm not going to be explaining or I'm not going to be teaching how to solve it. I'm going to be showing how I solved it. So when I saw the question, okay, I read through, and if you look at it closely, they gave us a distance here, 45 meters. Okay, a palm fruit dropped from a height of 45 meters. So we have S equal to 45 meters. Before I even started solving, from reading the question, I know what formula I would possibly use to solve it. So I begin to look for values to see if it will fit the formulas that I have in my brain to use to attempt it. And after thinking for some seconds, I realized that they gave us details that suit this formula. Newton's second equation of motion, which is S equal to ut plus half at squared, right? From what they give, I saw that the fluid dropped from a height of 45 meters. Okay, I've noted that distance. Now, it dropped means initially it has no velocity. When it was still hanging there, that it has not dropped, it's u is equal to 0. U is initial velocity, which is 0 now. It dropped, and now they gave g equal to 10 meters per second in brackets. G equal to 10 meters per second. So I have that details also. And you know, A in this case is equal to G, acceleration due to gravity. Okay, A is equal to G and is equal to 10 meters per second, right? So from here, if I substitute, I'll have 45 equal to 0 times t plus half times 10 times t squared. Now to simplify, now here 2, here 1, 2 here 5. 0 times t is 0, so that goes. Now I have our 45 equals 5t squared. So divide both side by 5. Of course, you know, after dividing both side by 5, you have that 9 equal to t squared. So if you square root both sides, you have that t equal to 3. So I quickly tick my option, the one that have 3 as the answer. So I tick that option. So that is the question I actually remember very well, that I saw, that I came across in my post-UTME exam. So for now, that's all, and I'll end this video here. Do well to turn on your notification so that you will always see my video. If you are interested in the kind of videos I post, make sure to turn your notification on so that you'll be able to see the latest ones. If I remember any questions or anything I think is necessary to post on my channel, I'll bring it forth immediately. So bye for now.